Hello guys, welcome to Jojo Designs YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to add watermark to your designs. Either you make a flyer or a logo, how to add your watermark to your designs to have your unique name on it or your logo on it. So before we start, kindly like, subscribe, share and comment as I start this video. Thank you. So the app needed is the Add Watermark app. You can easily get that on Play Store. So if I click on my Play Store and I search for Add Watermark like this, you're going to see this app. This is the app to download. This app, if you see this icon, that's the real app. So after downloading it and installing it to your smartphone, you go back and click on the app. So it's going to show you apply on images, on videos, create your own watermark or your creations. So you click on apply on images. Then it's going to show you to choose some photos, any photos you want. So let me go to my documents of designs, and let's say I want to add a watermark to this particular design I made. So you just click on that, then you click select from gallery, or if you have your logo and you want to put your logo to your watermark, you can add select from gallery, or there are other ones you can just write your name and yeah. So you click on select from gallery, your photos. So from your photos, you can go to where your logo is located. So this is my logo here. I'm going to pick it now. So it's going to show you this. Beneath you can see freestyle, title and cross. So these are different ways you can put your logo, or how you want your logo to be like. So you click on it. So I can click on title. That's going to spread everywhere easily without you stressing yourself. You can reduce the opacity of your logo. You can easily change the colors in this color section to any color you want. I like using gray. So you can reduce the opacity here with this one. You can reduce the size here with this one. You can rotate it here, and you can put it how you want it to be, either straight or increase or decrease. Why this is to increase the opacity or reduce the opacity. Why this is for how you want it to be, big or small. And this is for rotation. So I just keep it like this. It's okay. So you can do it as cross also. It just be big watermark, but I prefer title. Or you can freestyle how you want to do it. Anyway, this freestyle you can keep it anywhere you want to, like anywhere you want the watermark to be, but I like title. So after you're done with that, you just click on the mark button. That's this button. And you click on the save button. That's this button. So expect a tutorial on this logo I'm using for the explanation. Expect a tutorial on that, and please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. So you click on the memory card button, and you can either click notify me when completed. So it's going to show you notified when the logo is completed, the watermark has been completed. So you can click on view, and you see your watermark. So this is very good. So in case you have a project you want to show your designer, or just to protect your work, because a lot of people steal people's designer now, so you can just protect your work with your watermark. So thank you. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, subscribe and comment below. Hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button, and then also the notification button. Thank you and have a nice day.